Dearest heart, you don't flow against the current of the river. You flow with the river. You start living life effortlessly with awareness of each moment because you realize everything is connected. There may be some things that may feel really bad right now, but in the future you realize those bad times made you a strong person. So trust the divine timing of life. Nothing is a coincidence in the universe. Everything is aligned and connected. You are not reading this by accident. This is your confirmation, no matter what it looks like right now. God is going to reward your faithfulness. You are next in line for your miracle. So hold on, be strong, and don't give up. Type Amen if you believe in God.